Welcome to MusePrep, your channel for music theory. Great to have you back. Here's a quick quiz for you. Which instrument uses both the treble and bass clefs? Multiple answers are correct. You might first think of the piano, but also the organ, accordion, and harp use both clefs simultaneously. In this video, we continue our series with the names of the notes. You already know the pitches G, treble clef, and F, bass clef. These pitches will help you if you forget where to start. Do you remember how to find the G using the treble clef? Correct. The pitch G is located in the loop of the treble clef, also known as the G clef. And what about the pitch F? Quite simply, the small f is situated between the dots of the bass clef, also known as the F clef. The pitches F and G are letters of the alphabet, just like the other so-called natural notes. Natural notes are pitches that are not altered by accidentals. Simply start counting like in the alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. To learn the rules of music theory, we always start with the pitch C. So our series of natural notes is C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Have you understood the natural notes? Now it's your turn. Can you say the names of the notes starting from letter C sequentially? Once you're ready, feel free to watch the next videos right away.